Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing well. So today's video is going to be a hair tutorial. I'm going to show you how I went from this to this. I'm just going to show you the whole install process and coloring. I will put a link in the description box of what I thought the wig was going to look like. I did ask for the ombre brown wig, but it definitely didn't come like that, like the picture showed. I didn't want to get rid of the wig and just sort of let go of it, so I thought I can try and fix it. I will recolor and re-bleach. So what I have to do is, first of all, the brown on top wasn't the shade of brown I really wanted, so I did go over that with some box dye. I went for a chestnut brown. However, it did come out quite dark, but it was fine. I kind of like the idea of it going from dark to medium brown into blonde. So I wanted to take the brown a lot further down. As you can see, there wasn't much of the brown, especially at the back. There's a lot more blonde, so I did that. And I also wanted to tone the blonde with another box, but that came out looking a little bit different than what it looks like on the box. And I have used this box dye before, but somehow it just wasn't giving me the shade. I did have to go back and re-bleach it. I also bleached the knots, which help with when you part the wig, and also just, you know, with the overall laying of the frontal, it does make a big difference. Make sure that the mixture isn't too runny because it will seep through the lace. I do have to say, with all the bleaching and dyeing, the hair did survive. It didn't fry the hair. I did lose some strands because I did go quite light, as you can see, but I honestly preferred the end result. I didn't go for what I initially wanted. I decided to go for this style instead. So, because you can see, the roots are quite dark. I did consider dyeing the middle part to a medium brown just so that it flows like a gradient from dark to brown to blonde, but I thought, you know what, I'm gonna leave it. This could actually work. You know, sometimes some color can look a bit scary, your hair can look a bit weird until you actually curl it, so I was hoping it was going to look a lot better after I curled the wig. So now I'm just going to speed up this part. I'm just going to curl the entire wig with my T3 curling wand. This seems to be my favorite tool right now, and while I was curling, I used my John Frieda Frizz Ease serum for heat protector, and also some coconut oil, because after all the bleaching and toning and dyeing, I did blow dry it. I didn't leave the hair to air dry, so it did come off feeling quite rough and quite coarse. So the coconut oil helps to condition the hair and leaves the hair nice and smooth, and when you brush it out, it looks really nice and silky. Another thing I forgot to mention is the wig actually came pre-plucked. I think they did a good job, honestly, when I did check it out. I did go over it a little bit more, but I think as a start, they did a pretty good job. So that is it for the video. I managed to get this hair together. It was literally not looking like this when I first received it, but I think I did a good job. I think I really like the ombre effect. I think I prefer it a lot brighter. This wig is giving me throwback vibes, you know, back to my Beauty by JJ times. I used to do the ombre look a lot. I absolutely love this look. But I will definitely link the info in the description box, as well as the brand website, so you do have a lot of different wigs and colours and styles to choose from. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.